Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Lily, and today I'm going to be showing you how I take my hair from drab to fab. Basically, as you can see, my hair is quite a mess. It's quite short. You guys will be surprised what I can do with this hair if you give me a chance. So I'm going to be showing you how to do a proper lephondo. I'm using something as simple as a packet of hairpiece. So I'm going to be using this as my hair extension to make my hair look really nice and really long. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If it's your first time seeing this face and you think you like this face, or you're kind of like, well, this face looks kind of interesting, click the subscribe button, comment on this video, share this video when you're done, and make sure that you holla on my Instagram and you follow me on my TikTok as well as my my Twitter. So yeah, let's get down to it. I'm so excited, and please do not forget to check out my Facebook page. It's the same as the channel, even the name Becoming Miss. You can find me on Facebook as well as a Facebook page. So let's get down to it, and I am so excited. And if it's your first time seeing this sweater, then I advise you to check out my haul video that I did on H&M winter haul. I'm gonna link the video, and yeah, let's get down to it.
Hit me one time, hit me two times, hit me three times. Lego.
So first things first, I take my clothes of Vaseline. My clothes are petroleum jelly. This is petroleum jelly. It's not hair food. I love this product. It's good for your hair. It's good for your skin. I don't know where you guys can get it. You can highlight in my DM on my Instagram and I will hook you up. Alright. So I'm just gonna massage it into my hair and into my scalp, and just comb my hair like that, and just make sure that it's nice and loose. I'm gonna take my moisturizer. I haven't found a perfect brand of moisturizer yet, so if you have any suggestions for your homegirl, let me know. Leave me a comment and I'm gonna check it out. So more moisturizer. I love it because as opposed to styling gel, it keeps your hair nice and wet so that your hair can lie down without actually setting it, without breaking it too much, because the styling gel kind of sets your hair. Alright, cool. I'm gonna part my hair. I want to do two lephondo because I'm that girl. Alright, so I'm just gonna comb it nicely and tie it into two lephondo. I've already ruffled up this piece of hairpiece because ruffling up this hairpiece is really hard, and getting it into a nice crisp shape can take quite some time. But if you keep watching, you're gonna see in a minute how I ruffled it up to achieve this sort of consistency. So I'm gonna tie my other side as well with a different color because my sweater. If you haven't checked out my H&M haul video, please check it out. I have linked it. I'm gonna leave the link to the video in my description, so make sure you check that out. So I'm gonna tie it nicely, and if you want to see other ways that I've played with these with this hairpiece like this hair extension, you can check out my Instagram, and you will see that you don't only have to tie it as a bun. You'll see where I have let it down actually, and you're gonna love the hairstyles. They are pretty amazing, and the procedure is still the same. So make sure you watch this video really nicely. I'm gonna add hairpins to make sure my hair does not fluff around because my hair is quite short. This is how I ruffle it up to make sure I get this nice crisp kind of frisky consistency to the hair, so that it kind of actually really blends in with my natural hair. The more you frisk it, the more you ruffle it up, the more it kind of hides your natural hair, and your natural hair can actually not be seen or just be seen blending with the hairpiece. And so this is how you do it, and this is how you can do it as much as you like until you have achieved that kind of consistency that you are satisfied with. So I'm just gonna keep that up and keep ruffling it up. Alright, so it seems though the other one is bigger, the other one is smaller. This is how you fix that. It's very easy. You just continue ruffling it up until you get what you want. There's no need for you to start over. There's no need for you to be like, oh no, I need to remove some hairpiece. No, what you need to do is to add more pins or just keep ruffling up your hair piece. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I see you there. I see you smiling. I see you holding your phone. You don't want to subscribe? Come on, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button and peep my social media handles right there at the top of your screen, and follow my Instagram, my TikTok, and my Facebook page. There we go. There we have it. Those are my two lephondo, two buns. I'm loving them. I'm feeling them. So finally, I am gonna brush the hair down, and I think I'm really happy with this. And if you want to see how this turned out, you can check out my Instagram. I have some really cool photos. So here I am, I'm done with my hair, and these are the results of everything that we just went through. I did my edges off screen, and if you don't know how to do your edges, please do check out the video that I'm about to link to this one, where I was doing a tutorial on edges. Please do check that out so that you can complete this look. You know, I didn't go too heavy on the edges because I just want to be like looking really good, but you can just do them like up to here, you know. But I really like them like this because already there's so much happening there. I don't want to start looking super weird. I love it. I love this hairstyle. I really love this hairstyle. It's so pretty and it's so simple and so minimalistic. It's so important as a pageant girl, as a girl in general, to have like a plan B for your hair, for your makeup, like to be your own glam squad, you know, because glam squads are expensive, you know. So this is my hair, and I'm really digging this look. And you can go out like anywhere and you see like I did two tones because of my you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, please do direct them to me via my Instagram, or you can leave a comment right here on this video and I will surely reply to it. And thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. And thank you all so much for your support. I love you all so much. Thank you, and bye. The queen is out.